What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Filling Your Cup. I'm your host, Calvin.
And I'm your other host, David.
And today we're going to talk about cryptocurrency. Is it going to the moon or not? So cryptocurrency has been on fire lately, and today we're going to dive deep and examine some of this fire, some of these flames.
We can try. So what is a cryptocurrency, right? Cryptocurrency. I'm pretty sure you heard about it on the news from your grandma, from your auntie at the dinner table. What exactly is it, right? Cryptocurrency is a form of payment that can be exchanged online for goods and services. And there are two kind of branch of this cryptocurrency. There's the cryptocurrency coins or tokens. So many companies can issue their own currency, often called tokens, and these could be traded for specifically for goods and services that company provides. We'll go into more example later. Cryptocurrencies work using a technology called the blockchain, and the blockchain is basically just a decentralized bank ledger that kind of tracks all the transaction um, throughout time for the cryptocurrency. The main selling point of this technology is just like anybody can see these transaction live, and it's all decentralized, so it's not so everybody have access to it. So what exactly is the difference between a coin versus a token? Well, a cryptocurrency coin is classified as cryptocurrency that is meant to store value and can be exchanged for value. For example, Bitcoin is a coin and not a token. You can store your Bitcoin and hold it like you would in a bank account. It will retain its value. Or you can trade your Bitcoin and make purchases. You can buy Tesla with Bitcoins because Elon has allowed that. So now you can exchange that for currency. You're exchanging your Bitcoin for Tesla. A token is a digital representation of an asset that can be exchanged using the blockchain network. Uh, a token doesn't really have value itself, but it represents value of the physical assets that you have. So, for example, just think of it as like as an arcade token or a casino chip, right? You need to exchange that token for real money, and that's kind of like how the concept works. You're exchanging your token for real currency or for a service. All right, so that's kind of like the breakdown of what a coin and a token is. So what's like the pros of the current this cryptocurrency, Calvin?
So if you have some cryptocurrency, it's easy for you to transfer funds between two parties. Like, for example, if you want to buy Tesla, I could easily just transfer the coin or whatever Coinbase money you have without the need of banks or financial institutions. And if you're not using a bank, you're not being regulated by their fees and all those rules that they have and high interests and all that that comes with banks and financial institutions. Possibility of preserving value against inflation. So cryptocurrency, there's a finite amount of coins. It's not like, you know,
For some coins, not all coins.
some coins, correct. Thank you. So you can't print out more money like the American government did this past year or two. So can inflate the coins. So yeah, it's one of the pros. So some of the negatives, some of the cons. So the semi-autonomous nature of cryptocurrency makes transactions well suited for some illegal activities. Maybe a pro for some people, but con for all of us, such as money laundering and tax evasion. However, if you want more privacy, there are some coins that offer more privacy and then difficult to trace in terms of their transactions and stuff. Uh, Another con is volatility. Volatility, you go up and down. It's like a roller coaster ride based on the supply and demand. So more people buying into it, the more the increase in value that the coin has, and vice versa. Um, and last but not least, cryptocurrency are secure in general, but their wallets or their exchange programs are not immune to the threat of hacking. So there is a risk for sure.
So I guess the question pegged: should you invest in cryptocurrency, right? I think I think you should see this cryptocurrency as like another kind of set of investment, right? I wouldn't say go balls deep into it because you never want to go 100%. But I think you should allocate a portion of your portfolio, maybe like 10 or 15% into cryptocurrency. Because you if you look at most cryptocurrency, they were up more than like 1,000% from the beginning of the year. So there is some momentum behind it. But then also what comes with this strong momentum, it also can dip in the near future, right? Because it has run up so quick, so fast. There could be a like buying dips opportunity. You can never time the dips, but then if you're looking for entry, maybe next time if you see a little dip in the current crypto market, maybe get your feet wet. But we know that cryptocurrency there's a lot of them, right, Calvin? How many cryptocurrencies are out there?
As of April 2021, there are 10,000 different types of cryptocurrency. Everyone's talking about Dogecoin right now or Bitcoin, but 10,000, I didn't know about that.
Right? And it's kind of hard to tell which ones you should invest in, right? Because there's so many of them. I say as like a beginner, maybe just buy the big boys, the Bitcoin, Ethereum. I don't know too much about Dogecoin, but I mean it's getting hyped up. So, but then you don't want to be a pig that gets slaughtered, right? Because right now the coin is charging up in value, so in price. And it can easily dip back down too. Because I think today, as the filming of this video, today is what's today's date, Calvin?
May 9th.
May 9th. I think Dogecoin is down 18%. So it could be a buying opportunity for some, or it could be the beginning of a reversal. We can't time the market. No one can time the market, but that's just kind of like what we see. But yeah, I think I'm gonna start allocating some portion of my portfolio into cryptos because I think there is a niche and a need for it in the future. Because as you can tell, the U.S. government has been borrowing lots of money due to this pandemic, and inflation is gonna hit. And when that happens, I believe crypto will continue to surge in value because people is gonna see it as like some sort of a safe haven, kind of like gold. It's like as they call it the digital gold, Bitcoin. So that's just kind of like what I think. My take on it. What about you, Calvin?
Yeah, I agree. Like you said, there's finite amount of crypto coins, and the more money, the more people pour into the cryptocurrency, the more value increases, and more publicly traded companies start adapting into it, such as Apple, Tesla, and etc. The more it becomes like a public commodity, like cash. So yeah, I do see a future in it, definitely.
All right, so let us know. Since like we're no expert at this crypto gaming, we're fairly new. Let us know if I guess what hot crypto coins are out there, because there are a few coins that has a really good technology behind it. I mean, we'll probably do some research and give our insight on which cryptocurrency that we will be purchasing. But yeah, I think it is a good time to invest into the crypto market. It's not really because that's been running so hot, but it's because I think there's a future for it in our economy, right? In our financial institution or structure. So I think there's a future for it. So
Definitely.
So no further ado, please like, comment, subscribe. Last video we got a shit ton of views, but no one subscribed. So, so yeah, but yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you guys next time. Peace.
Peace.